How to unlock mature content on Crunchyroll. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can unlock mature content on Crunchyroll, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by default, sometimes what happens is that Crunchyroll is going to limit the access to the number of shows and animes that you could watch based on your age, and if you want to actually unlock more content, you have to just turn on a simple toggle, and you can do this if you just go ahead and then open the Crunchyroll application here. Once you launch the Crunchyroll app, you're going to see this type of interface where you want to tap the account icon from the bottom right. Once you tap the account icon from the bottom right of the screen over here, if you look under the app experience tab, you'll find one of the options here. It says mature content. Now in my case, I've already enabled it, by the way, and if you haven't enabled it in yours, it could be disabled, so you want to make sure to enable it. It's going to toggle it on. Then what happens is if it's off, it's going to be grayed out. If it's on, then it's going to be highlighted in green or blue or whatever. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.